Dental implants is the best option to replace broken or missing teeth. Also, if you have loose-fitting dentures or are not able to chew, dental implants give you the opportunity to chew, smile, and be whole again. Patients who wear dentures are not able to eat normal foods. They're not able to smile with confidence. They're always worried about their dentures coming loose or falling out of their mouth. With dental implants, you can chew, smile, and eat as if you have your own normal teeth. As you lose more and more teeth, your jaw will change. The jaw becomes thinner and thinner, and your face will look more aged. You will lose confidence in yourself. You won't be able to eat normal foods. You won't be able to smile. Dental implants will give you the ability to be whole again. We can restore a smile, restore ability to eat, and restore confidence by placing just a few dental implants in key positions to replace your missing and broken teeth with new, beautiful white teeth. After a number of years of practice, I realized that I get best outcomes when we work as a team. This is why I call my practice Synergy Dental Implant and Oral Surgery Center. Together with our patients, our dental technicians, and our team of dentists, we can give you the optimal results that are possible in your specific situation. If you're missing teeth, if you have loose or uncomfortable dentures, and you're in need of dental implants, please visit Synergy Dental Implant and Oral Surgery Center and see for yourself how we can make the procedure comfortable and affordable for you.